Life hack video, because I've been out of town for the past few days and a little bit behind. So we'll just get started. So our first life hack is going to have to do with storage. Now, as you may know, the Svartpilen 401 comes with this like odd plastic little rack that is right on top of the tank bag. A lot of people don't like it and they uninstall it immediately. Don't be so quick to discard it though. It has some uses. For example, if you don't feel like spending close to $200 to $300 for the tank bag that Husqvarna wants to sell you, hop over to Amazon or Dick's Sporting Goods or Bass Pro, wherever it is that they sell MOLLE bags, that's what these are, and strap them down. Just undo a couple of these bolts. There are 4 of them. They're Torx. I think they're T30s. And you undo them, slide the straps underneath it. What I did is I took one large admin bag. That's what this one is. And I have that secured using an extra rock strap that I have. And then I can just attach more and more bags on top of it. That's the beauty of the MOLLE bag. You will never run out of space because you can always add more and more and more to it. So that is kind of the goal with this. It's just unlimited storage. So best of all, you can compartmentalize, you can organize, you can get everything set up. You want to have a place to put your gloves when you're done riding? Boom. Medium-sized tank bag. You can store that and maybe a bandana, or like in this day and age, a face mask. Store whatever you need to in there. In this one, maybe you got a couple of tools that you want to carry around, and you want to have plenty of space to store a bottle of water and an extra rock strap in case you need it. Then in your main bag, you can store like a whole thing of all your Torx bits, and you still have plenty of room for more stuff. And remember I mentioned there is a rock strap going across? Why do you need a rock strap if you have these bags? For odd things that just won't quite fit, but you want to be nice and secure. This way, something as odd as a funnel will fit underneath that rock strap. A-okay, no issues. And the best thing of all, aside from the bags themselves and the straps themselves, this does not take any amount of time or knowledge or mechanical skill to put together or secure. The one thing I will note is make sure that you maybe don't cheap out on the main bag that's going to attach to it. On mine, this bottom snap right under here, that tends to come undone. It doesn't shift around a ton, but it is a little bit noticeable when I'm trying to hit a road particularly hard. So you know how in the manual it talks about removing the license plate holder in order to use one of these paddock stands to lift up your rear wheel to do basic maintenance, and how that's super nerve-wracking because you're removing an integral part of the bike? Did you know you can just pick up a longer version of that bolt from Lowe's for $1.20? So for the cost of 2 McDoubles from McDonald's, you can pick up a bolt for the left side and a bolt for the right side. And boom, you got yourself some paddock stands. I will note, this stand right here is just from Harbor Freight. This isn't even a good one, but it does the trick. Another important thing to know, if you go this route, I'm going to have to make another trip to the store. You will also need a nut to go on the right-hand side, because there's nothing stopping this bolt from coming out the other side. So do be prepared. Get yourself a small bolt to go on that side, just so that way you have something to screw this bolt into that's going to stop it. Because I don't think it's not in contact with the brakes or anything. It's not stopping the brakes from operating correctly. However, it is in contact with the bracket itself, and that's not good. But if you're up for a $3 to $4 solution to put your bike up on a paddock stand, I don't think you're really going to beat that. I do have another thing for storage, but I'm going to take a break and I'm going to steal something from Ryan at Fort 9. So I know Ryan at Fort 9 already did this. He said, get yourself a helmet, get an open face, and wear some goggles or some glasses. I'm a fan of the goggles because, frankly, I like the black and gold. I don't know if you could tell that. But anyways, yeah. In his video, though, he mentioned getting amber tinted goggles. I'm not a huge fan of that. I figure if I get goggles, I'm going to look like a bit of a dweeb no matter what. Might as well be a cool dweeb and have some tinted goggles so that you can't really see my eyes in just the right light. It looks kind of cool in my opinion. Plus, the amount of air that this flows now, it was already an adventure bucket, so it already flowed a ton of air. Now, that air has been multiplied up to 1,000, and when the breeze is coming and it's super hot out, it's a nice change. And just to round everything off with our life hack video, we're going to end with a little bit more storage. How many times have you been out somewhere and you realize, dang it, I really want to get that, but I have literally no way to carry it? Well, underneath your seat in your Svartpilen, you have a little bit of empty space. In this space, we have my registration card. Very important. Hopefully I never have to pull it out and show an officer. We also have a spare rock strap. And we have a collapsible and packable backpack. You can pick these up on Amazon or at Walmart for all of about $5. And when you unwrap that and unfold it, it is a full-sized, maybe not huge, but definitely close to like a 15 or 20 liter backpack. It's plenty large enough to carry a 12-pack of your favorite beverage. And that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is not anything like any of my other content. I don't know if this is going to be something that's going to draw people in. I don't know if this is something that's going to push you guys away. But, hey, I greatly appreciate every view. I greatly appreciate every comment. I know I'm a bit behind. There is content coming of me riding around on the Parkway and up in Shenandoah on the Skyline. So get ready for content like that coming in the next couple weeks. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.